Your pressure washer is dying in your garage right now. Here's why wall mounting changes everything. When you leave your washer on the floor, hoses kink, connections get damaged, and moisture sits in all the wrong places. Wall-mounted storage keeps hoses properly coiled, prevents kinking that causes leaks, and gets your equipment off the ground where it's protected from accidental damage. Plus, you cut your setup time in half because everything's organized and ready to grab. The pros know this. Proper storage isn't just about saving space, it's about extending your equipment's life by years. Mount it up, keep it clean longer, and never trip over tangled hoses again.